Here at Has Altoide International, we believe the aging process is something that can be slowed down and a treatable medical condition, and that physical youth is easier to lengthen than we think. That is why our core principle is to bring on the anti-aging revolution to the world. Truly, let's bring it on. We have products that are game changers, products that will revolutionize the anti-aging market in Malaysia and also in the world. I personally assure you, with the introduction of Marvelous, you feel and look younger, healthier and happier. Has Altoide International is about sharing hope and dream. We want to share our knowledge, vision and achievement with our members. We hope that our members will achieve their goals and dreams so that they can live their life to the fullest. I'm Hazimi bin Abdul Hamid. Sincerely hope with my latest invention called Marvelous, you will bring joy and happiness to a lot of people.